Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Armani with Reginae. Spit or swallow. We both sat in the hot seat. Let's get into it.
Oh! Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Welcome back to our Swiggity channel, man. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all can tell from the title, we are getting lit. We are getting turned up. We are both in the hot seat. As y'all can tell to the right of me, it's baby Naija. Let me get one.
Yeah. See, why you brought your water? Did you be fake pumping on the water? Hey, y'all. Good, right?
Pretty good.
Alright.
Snapbacks and tattoos, but hear me out, y'all. So today, we're finna be going crazy, y'all. We're finna be putting each other inside the hot seat. As y'all can tell, I don't know if y'all follow my Instagram, but if y'all don't, make sure y'all go follow my Instagram. Make sure you follow my baby girl Instagram, because we put a questionnaire. We wanted to ask y'all a couple questions on, you know what I'm saying? Well, we wanted y'all to give us a couple questions so we can ask each other in the hot seat. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna sit right here. And then we're gonna ping pong question back and forth. We're putting each other inside the hot seat. We gonna get spicy, give y'all what y'all want, and that's what it's gonna be, baby girl. Is you ready?
Yeah.
Tell the people you ready.
I am so ready.
Tell them one more time.
So we don't want to say it.
Tell the people you ready, baby.
I'm ready.
Tell them one more time.
Babe, I'm ready.
You gotta put your game face on.
I'm born ready.
You can't be smiling, babe. There you go. I like that one more time.
I'm
one more time.
ready.
Yeah, Sersky. Let's get it. So, who's going first, baby? You?
Yep. Let's see. Are you ready to run?
I'm ready to rumble.
Oui.
Just post a pic, so I gotta see. Hold on.
Off the top, would you rather give or receive?
I would rather...
Sexually.
Spicy.
Yeah.
You with me?
I'm ready to go, you baby. I ain't even go to the here and kissy.
Alright.
You baby.
Start it off.
Okay, so, do you like girls?
No. I'm all about you.
Good answer. Good answer.
You gotta say. Go ahead,
Okay. What's your pet peeve that I do?
Not tell me when you want. No. But yeah. Not being vocal.
Oh.
Just not being vocal sometimes.
Okay. I'll just jump on it.
No. Okay, you ready?
I like this game.
No,
it's your turn.
Yeah. Look at her, y'all. She's trying to get every question.
Yeah, because I want to know.
Okay. Have you ever told someone you loved them but was lying?
No.
Okay. Come here. Sure.
Thank you, because I forever.
We gonna get it right.
Sweet ass girl.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead.
What is your favorite body part on me?
Your head.
My head? It's so big.
That's where it started brain. You got a very fluent, beautiful mindset, brain mentality. Nah, let me tell you. But yeah, for real. But no, on some sexual stuff though, you know what it is. You feel me? But that just to give them what you know that they kind of want them to ask more.
Okay, go ahead. What's next? I'm ready.
Okay. Do you use a vibrator when I'm not here?
Goodness. Now this one is, I don't know. Sheesh. It's spicy already. Man, I do not need to know this about baby sis. But okay, this for y'all, okay?
You can get a pop if you want to.
Yeah.
Right. Right, that's wrong. You know what I'm
He's
saying?
never not here. Well, when you working, like you think you're not here.
That's a very quick time.
Yeah, very quick time. Little one too.
Right. Okay, go ahead, man.
Okay, let's see.
Let's go. Let's get it.
Oh
Let's
my
get it.
God.
Because right now I feel like she's over there getting hot. You know what I mean?
Like, why y'all not asking like regular questions? Okay.
That's what I'm saying. These people be crazy.
What? Okay, I'm sorry. How old were you when you first had sex?
I think 17 or 18. 17.
Okay.
Yeah, 17. Do I make you nervous?
No.
Okay.
You used to, but not anymore.
Okay. All right, go ahead.
I would say a little, sometimes.
You be saying it.
Just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit. I would say in certain things, like, yeah, sometimes, yeah.
But not just overall.
No, not
You're
overall.
comfortable overall.
I'm comfortable. Yeah. Okay. What?
Mm-hmm. What?
Be asking all kind of sideways questions, like, you know, somebody gonna tell her daddy and her mama if she say too much. Like, you gotta be respectful. You can't just be asking.
Okay, I'm sorry.
They asking some crazy stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. What? Okay. What's one thing you wish I did often?
That was one thing I wish you did often.
You don't have, I mean, I can just do it all. I mean, it don't have to be. If you don't have nothing, I could just do it.
Do it all. That's what I'm saying. She just do it all.
But no, is that the answer?
That's the answer.
Are you sure?
Do you want it to be a different?
You want to hit?
No, I don't need to hit. Girls, what they talking about, y'all? Why she asking me, do I need to hit? Well, tell me what's going on here.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, what is your favorite body part on your body?
On my body?
Yeah.
My legs.
Okay.
I love my legs.
Okay. Okay, and that's something I don't think y'all knew. Did they know that? Answer.
Probably not. I don't know. But everybody, I love my thick legs. Let's see. Oh my gosh.
Damn, what the hell?
Y'all crazy.
Somebody said, all we gonna do is smack each other's hand. No, we didn't.
Yeah.
So gotcha.
Would you ever want to, do you think about threesomes as a man?
Do I think about threesomes? What does, as in partaking in the threesome?
Yeah, do you want to partake in a threesome?
Nah. I don't think about. You know what I'm saying? I feel like when you get to thinking like you a thirsty ass nigga, like, oh, I want a threesome. I don't do that. I'm too P for that. You know what I mean? We don't do that. You know what I mean? If I was a single type of guy and a threesome approached me, that's different. I don't go out thinking I want a threesome.
Oh, so you would do it if you was a single guy?
Not if I know the two.
You gotta just be.
What? I'm not having no threesome with, man, listen. Ain't no touch, listen. And then even if I, like, that's still, like, nah, man. Certain things, you feel me, is just,
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Feel me?
Okay, go ahead.
You feel me? Hell no. Spit or swallow? That's what the question.
Tap out, girl.
What's your body count?
1. That's you, girl.
That's you,
girl.
What's your body count? Yeah.
Well, that's what I'm trying to say. Why is they asking the question about a body count?
Y'all wrong.
What the hell?
Very wrong. That's rude.
What's their body count?
Right.
That's a very personal question. Okay. Look, they ask some dumb shit. All right, what was your what is your what was your weirdest dream?
My weirdest dream.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember. I don't remember. Okay,
Mm-hmm. What we doing? What we doing? What we doing?
Okay.
The fallout is just.
Wait. I'm sorry. Okay.
Which one? What is that?
I'm sorry. Okay. I can't ask that. Okay, I'm gonna ask it.
Mm-hmm. Ask it. Because I ain't got to answer it.
You don't. Was your first time trash or treasure?
Trash.
Damn.
My first time, yeah, it was trash.
Okay.
Yeah. Lingerie, foreplay, or straight to it? Four. She told some four.
Yeah, foreplay. A little.
A little metaphorpheus.
A little one, too.
A little metaphor. A little metaphor too.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna ask one more question apiece.
Okay.
And then we're gonna get up out y'all way, man. Let's get it. Make it juicy.
Oh my God.
Make it juicy. I'm gonna ask one juicy.
Alright, make it juicy.
Make it juicy. Alright, y'all, so we got one more question apiece, then we're gonna get out y'all way. Go ahead, man.
Okay. Alright, let's see.
Make it juicy.
Make it juicy?
Mm-hmm. We got one more question. The question, you want me to go first?
Yeah.
Okay, one more question. Alright, so I'll go first. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
The question is, will you marry me? Yeah. Somebody said that. Somebody said, ask her, would you?
If it was true.
All right then, girl. Mm-hmm. Here. Got another one. Where we go?
No, babe, that's the wrong finger.
Oh, I'm sorry. Come on.
This is the real finger. I already
Okay, you got two of them.
What y'all don't know.
What y'all don't know is this shit is it, man. If we locked in.
Ain't no switching up.
Brother came home.
I got one.
Go ahead.
When are you gonna drop our country?
When y'all want me to drop, I caught you. I'll drop it when y'all really want me to, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. Press that bell notification. We had fun doing this again. We kind of went beyond. You know what I'm saying? We kind of gave y'all a little tea, right?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We kind of gave y'all a little tea. Kind of talked to y'all. Ain't get too crazy, but we got crazy. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Press that bell notification so I'm notified every single time we post. Love y'all, man. We finna go catch some UFC. Chill, kiss on each other. And we love y'all. See you in a minute.
Y'all on game. I need my nails done, bro. Look at my nails, y'all.
I need my shit done too, man.
Don't say that, because every time I ask
I know, I don't be good.
The nail salon is for girls, babe.
It is, babe, until a nigga really looks scudded. Like, until I look scudded like I do now I gotta go in there. But I don't just want to push up at the nail shop like that. And real nigga do real shit, man.
Well, yeah.
Gang.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Click the bell, become part of the Noto Squad.